Hi guys, today's video is about how can we download DHA eligibility letter. So I'll go to Google and search Sheryan Dubai. After clicking that, I can see the Dubai Health Authority's website. I'll click that and go to the Sheryan portal. If you are not logged in, you have to log in first. On the right corner, I can see my picture. I'll click that and go to the notification center. Here I have received a notification that my status has been updated. If yours not, you have to wait first until it's updated. I'll click that and I can see another interface. There I have to scroll down a little bit and view my application. I'll click that and I will review the information that I have given to DHA, and after scrolling down I can see that my registration certificate is already there. I'll click the review registration certificate and will download it. After downloading, I can see that it's already there. And that's it guys. Have a good day.